Hi friends, welcome to Civil Cube. I am Mohammed Said. Today we will see a difference between lap length and development length. Lap length is an extra length provided for overlapping two rebar in order to safely transfer the load from one bar to another. Why we doing overlap? The standard length of the rebar is 12 meter. If our length of the structural element will be more than 12 meter, we need to provide an overlapping. During that overlapping, to avoid load transfer failure, we are providing an extra length that is called as lap length. This lap length is always greater than development length. Also, this lap length will be varied based on the structural element. For slab, the lap length is 60 into dia of rebar. For beam, the lap length is 60 into dia of rebar. For column, 50 into dia of rebar. For example, if we use 12 dia of rebar as a column reinforcement to overlap this rebar, the lapping length of bar is 50 into dia of rebar 12. We get a result of 600 length. So this is the lapping length of column. Next, development length. Development length is also an extra length provided to transfer the load from steel to surrounding concrete through a bond. It is also used to make a better bonding between concrete and steel. It will be provided at the end of the support or fixed end of structural element. For example, if we connecting two structural elements like a beam to column, we provide an extra length to the column that the length is called as development length. Usually, this development length is less than lap length. To find out the development length, we have formula that is development length LD equal to 0.87 into grade of steel Fy into dia of rebar divided by 4 into tau BD. This tau BD is known as bonding stress of concrete. The bonding stress will be varied based on the grade of concrete that is shown in a IS 456 code book. So based on this value, we can easily find out the development length of rebar. In a real world practice, we are using a thumb rule to find out the development length that is 40 into dia of rebar for compression zone and 50 into dia of rebar for tension zone. So these are the major difference between lap length and development length. Thank you.